Welcome to MicroChef. Let's make microwave meatballs. You will need 100 milliliters of water, 50 grams of instant brown onion soup mix, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of dried origanum, and 500 grams of minced beef. Add the instant brown onion soup mix to a mixing bowl. Add the ground black pepper. Then add the dried origanum. Finally add the water and mix until well combined. Now add the minced beef to the soup mixture. Mix until fully incorporated. The meatball mixture will be soft but can be placed in the fridge for half an hour to make it easier to form the balls. Use a tablespoon of the mixture at a time to form the meatballs. I placed some smaller meatballs in the middle to ensure even baking. Microwave on medium-high for 5 minutes. Turn over the meatballs and microwave for another 3 minutes on medium-high. The meatballs are now done and should be firm to the touch. How easy was that? Like, subscribe and comment what you would like to see next.